So we were so excited to hear earlier this spring that the City of Bloomington received the 50th award, the Certificate of Achievement for Excellence in Financial Reporting from the GFOA.
Yeah, so the Certificate of Achievement is really one of our flagship programs at the Government Finance Officers Association. It's one of our oldest award programs.
I tell you, we have less than 5 governments across the U.S. and Canada that have received that award as many times as your government has.
And you know, accounting isn't always real exciting, so I thought wearing the little crowns would bring a little levity to putting the financial statement together.
If your finances aren't managed well and your elected officials can't understand them, then cities can't be successful over the long run. And so the annual comprehensive financial report is a key piece of that because it shows that that government has had an external audit and it's met some very rigorous accounting standards so that citizens can be assured when they read that report that it is accurate.
The audit report is an accumulation of all the activities and transactions and things that the city does on an annual basis for every department. It accounts for all the activities under the umbrella of the new mission statement to cultivate an enduring and remarkable community where people want to be.
The reporting that the city has done included not only the financial report, but added in the award for the budget and for the popular report, all for those same reasons. And so to keep all 3 of those, and the GFOA actually refers to those as the Triple Crown, is also a huge accomplishment.
The city has been producing annual reports probably since the beginning of their existence. They were fairly small at one time. This is the first report that we have here that received an award, and this had 104 pages. This is the last report that we did, the one that gave us our 50-year award milestone. And this report is 237 pages.
You know, when they started this back 50 years ago, whoever was here really cared about governmental accounting and that we needed to be held to a higher standard. And you know, for 50 years we've been holding that standard, and that's something to be proud of. You know, it's not just finance staff. We get information from virtually every division, department within the city. You know, nobody gets paid without finance, and they audit all the payroll, all the vendor checks that go out.
This is a lot of data presented exactly how we're required to present.
I want to extend my sincere congratulations to the City of Bloomington, not just for receiving the award, but receiving it for the 50th consecutive time. That demonstrates the city's long-term commitment to excellence in financial reporting.
It was a way to make sure that our reporting of how we use the tax dollars was transparent, it was well communicated and comprehensive so that the citizens would have confidence in the way we spent tax dollars. In addition, we wanted a nice document for investors and for the rating agencies to get a good handle on how the finances are.
Certainly you want to give credit to the leadership, the finance department, and the supporting operations as well. However, it also has to be embraced by our elected officials that they understand the importance of this.
When I think of Bloomington and 50 years of gaining this award, I think of their expertise in government finance and how they participate in different committees, boards, both statewide and nationally, to help us all. And through collaboration with Bloomington and other cities, we just all become better.
So really kudos to the City of Bloomington. To meet these high standards for 50 years in a row is really unique in local government finance. You
guys are to be applauded. You're representing a high standard for other governments to follow as well. And I am just so just in awe with the excellent work that goes on in that community. So congratulations, so well done.
Congratulations to the City of Bloomington on 50 years. This is an amazing milestone, and keep up the great work.
I am very delighted to be part of this video and to congratulate the city, the financial staff, the entire city on this major accomplishment of 50 years of receiving this award.
I would like to thank the mayor, the city council, and the city manager for their strong leadership and guidance. I would especially like to thank my staff for all the work that they've done over the last few years to move to a remote audit strategy. And I want to thank them individually for all the work that they do to make us a great department. I have a wonderful team, and I'm very grateful for all the work they do.
It's just a very good standard. It's something that us employees should be proud of, and the community and the city council, and I think we are.
I guess I'd just like to say that I'm really proud to be part of a city, an organization that works really hard to make sure that we give transparent, good data to all of our stakeholders, the residents, the people who want to purchase our bonds, other cities. We feel that this is important, and I feel this is important. It just gives me a sense of pride.